Hey everyone, if f of 2 divided by x equals 3x plus 5, then we're going to find f of x and f of 2. So this one's a little tricky. So what we're going to do is we want f of x. And we want this to equal f of x. So we know what this x is. And we have f of 2 divided by x. So if we want these to equal, you set them equal. So you're going to put 2 divided by x equals x. And that's tricky because when you cross multiply, you're going to get x squared. So what we're going to do in the meantime is switch this to y. So make that a y. So we're going to 2 divided by x equals y. And if you solve for, so we're letting x equal y. So then you're going to get, if you solve for x, you're going to get 2y equals x. Now change back your x, this y back to x, and you get 2x equals x again. So that's why it's a little tricky, because it looks like you're just doing the same thing. But let me show you what's really going on. If I plug in for this equation here, f of 2. Now I'm going to substitute, everywhere there's an x, I'm going to substitute 2 divided by x. So this x here and this x here is going to get 2 divided by x. All right. Now when you do that, let's look at this piece. Let's simplify that. When you simplify that, that is really 2 divided by x. So if you remember your elementary school, this is 2. You keep, change, and flip. Now, this is going to be 2x divided by 2, which is just x. So now we have our f of x. And that's what we wanted, and that's what all of this was about. All right, it just got confusing when we tried to set it up like that. So we had to change it to let x equals y. So f of x is going to be 6 divided by x plus 5. All right, now let's find f of 2. So we have f of 2. Now, if we use f of x, that was 6 divided by x plus 5. So if you do f of 2, you get, substitute that x for 2. So that's going to equal 3 plus 5, which equals 8. Or what you could do is make this a 2. So do like we did in the first one, we could say we'll let 2 divided by x equals 2. So when you cross multiply, or you can just look at this, you'll get x equals 1. So if I use this formula instead of the this one, I'll get f of 2 divided by 1, and this is when x equals 1, equals 3 times 1, because x is 1, plus 5, and that gives you 8. So either way, you get the same answer. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.